Here's my top exercises for upper body. If you're new to strength training, you can do this in the gym or at home. All you need is some weights. I do use plastic bottles and tin cans, but if you have dumbbells, always start off light, especially if you're beginners. It's all about form and technique. So exercise number one is going to be our bicep curl and shoulder press. So with all the exercises, nice straight back, core muscles nice and tight. We're going to bring the weights towards your shoulders and then twist away, sculpting the shoulders to a shoulder press, and you're going to breathe throughout. Keep the movement nice and slow, mind to muscle connection. You're going to try and do this exercise for 8 to 10 reps or until you feel those last few repetitions, and then you can increase weight, progressively overloading as you get stronger. Your second exercise for your upper body and your back strength is a bent over row. So I've rolled my shoulders back, chest nice and wide. I'm going to have my feet at hip width apart. You're going to come into a bent over position, but with your back nice and straight. I feel the tension on my hamstrings at the back of my legs, keeping those shoulders back. I'm bringing the weights towards me, squeezing those back muscles together. Breathe in, breathe out on the hard part of the move. And again, you're going to repeat this exercise for 8 to 10 repetitions or until you really feel the last few. Keep your core muscles really nice and tight on this one, and always feel free to come up and adjust your posture before you carry on, because perfect form is the most important. For the next exercise, you definitely need to start off nice and light. In fact, 1 kg dumbbells or even tin cans in the kitchen will do. So we're going to do lateral and frontal raises. Always shoulders back, back nice and straight, core tight, and you're going to bring the arms out to shoulder height, and you're going to slowly bring them down. We're moving out, shoulder height, breathe out, inhale as you come down. Breathing is so important. You can add a little hold in if you want a bit of a challenge, coming down. And then you're going to add in front raises. So here, my arms at shoulder height, wrists are nice and straight to my forearm. Breathe out and down. And we can combine both moves. So out to the side and forwards. You're going to really feel this in your shoulders, building lean muscle mass, which is key for all women and anyone over the age of 30. So this is a really quick 3 exercises you can sprinkle into your day anytime, like an upper body exercise snack. Do let me know if you've tried these exercises, if these have helped, and if you're also into strength training. Let me know in the comments below.